Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the restore job for OpenStack VM in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here we have a backup of OpenStack VM. And we are going to restore the VM from this backup. Go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Select the target host. Then you can simply configure the new VM here. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in OpenStack dashboard. It has been restored to this host. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.